Now we will discuss the previous SSC JE 2013 electrical solutions. The first part here is a voltage wave V is equal to Vm sin omega t minus 15 volt is applied across an AC circuit. If the current leads the voltage by 10 degrees and the maximum value of current is Im, then the equation of the current follows. So in order to solve this problem, so I will choose a reference line here. So this is a reference line, so which is operating at 0 degrees. Now the voltage is lagging behind this with a angle of 50 degrees. So let's say V, the lagging behind angle is, it is 15 degrees. Now we have a current which leads the voltage by 10 degrees. So leading means always in counterclockwise direction. So here we have a current wave, so which is say I. What is the leading between voltage and current is 10 degrees. So total 15. So how much this angle will be? So this angle will be 5 degrees. Okay, so 5 degrees. So I is equal to Im sine omega t minus 5. Why? Because here we have 0 degrees. So lagging means minus only. So D is the answer. Next question here is the average value of current IGAV of a sinusoidal waveform of peak value Im is. So here let us consider a sinusoidal waveform like this. So here we need to find the average value. So as we know that I average can be calculated only for, so if the wave is symmetrical, if the wave is symmetrical means we'll consider half wave. If it is an unsymmetrical wave, we will choose full wave here. So here positive half cycle, negative half cycle both are same. So symmetrical waveform. So I average is equal to, what is the time period here? So half cycle only, 0 to pi. So 0 to pi, integration from 0 to pi Im sine omega t d omega t. So if you solve this, we can get it as 2 Im by pi. So important thing here in this is average value is found for symmetrical waveform means half cycle only. If you are taking full cycle means average value will be 0. So for unsymmetrical waveform we'll choose full cycle here. Next question. The EMF induced in a coil is given by E is equal to minus N into d phi by dt. E is equal to minus N into d phi by dt, where E is the EMF induced, N is the number of turns, and d phi is the instantaneous flux linkage with the coil in time dt is. It is given by Lenz's law. So why? Because here they specified negative sign. So negative sign is because of Lenz's law, which says that the cause of its production oppose. So whatever the reasons for production of EMF is oppose its cause. And generally students will make mistake that it's a Michael Faraday. So Faraday, what it says, the magnitude of the induced EMF is directly proportional to rate of change of flux linkages. Okay, but negative sign means it's a Lenz's law. Next question here is the mutual inductance between two coils of self-inductances 3 Henry and 12 Henry, and the coefficient of coupling is 0.85. So we know the formula K is equal to M divided by square root of L1 L2. So K already is nothing but 0.85 into square root of L1 is how much? 3 into L2 is 12 is nothing but M. So what is the M? Is nothing but 0.85 into, so 36 means 6 is nothing but 5.1 Henry is the answer. Next question. The resistance temperature coefficient of a copper at 20 degrees Celsius is, it is 0.00393 per degrees Celsius. So C is the answer. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching my video. We'll continue next session.